Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about quit tag. The quit tag is used for a short quotation. Maybe you want to apply a short quotation to some text or to some sentence or some phrase in your website. You can quickly make use of the quit tag. So let me show you. So let me take the paragraph. So before I generate my lorem, let me use the quit tag. Now you see, so let me generate this. So now you see I have my quote here. I have my quote. Here. I don't know, my mouse is not working properly. Let me zoom. So now you see I have my quote. This is my quote, and this is my other quote. So that's what we use the quit tag for. So I hope it helps you. Thank you very much for today's tutorial. Thank you.